How to fix Facebook Messenger not working. Hello guys, so in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Messenger. First thing you wanna do is go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is wait a few seconds, scroll down until you find Messenger. Okay, where is it? Here is it right here. Click on Facebook Messenger like this and then click on this force stop here. After that, click on the data usage here. Make sure that all these options are enabled and then go to the storage, click on clear cache, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.